Page 39, Mexican hat dance. Okay, we got some exercise coming up. Look out. This piece moves. It says jocoso at the top there. The jocoso is fun type. Not fun in the sense of a scherzando. A scherzando is kind of like a prank type, but careful. Jocoso is just fun. Well, forget fun. Let's take it slow. Watch the fingering in the right hand. Now this is in 6/8 time, so an eighth note gets a count. And we have to count to 6. And there's 2 beat pickup. So we're starting on beat 5. Third finger on the high C. You know that's a C, right? B natural, because this is in the key of F major. B's would be flat. They don't want, so it's. Then the first full measure. So 3-1. Come over to get the G sharp. 3-1. We have sort of a sequence going, and we're using this fingering 3-1-2-3 as our 3-1-2 as our fingering style for each iteration of the sequence. So it's here, then here, then here. That's all over the place, and it's a good fingering. So go ahead and use it. Not the only one, but it's a good fingering. 6/8 time. We want to hear that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. The left hand will help because it's playing dotted quarter notes, and it's playing on this 1, 4, 1, 4. Well, the right hand does this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Drop the wrist a little bit on those if you have to. Then going on, it's just a scale. Again, drop the wrist at the beginning. 1. And then in the second line, again, we got this thing going down. Different notes, same fingering pretty much. Isn't that cool? And then at the end, and at the third line, it's pretty much a scale going down. Now, I recommend on the third line, in the first measure, you're fine starting out. But when you have to cross over, I recommend you use the third finger. So we don't have to use the thumb twice in a row. We don't need to do that. That's actually more difficult. I suggest you do it a thumb 3-2. So the first measure and a half or so of the third line is out. That happens again later on at the end, same fingering. Going on, it's like it was at the top. At the end, again, 3-2, and that's it. It's a fun piece. Now on these runs, like the end of the first line, the last measure or so, if you've been doing the scales, you're supposed to be doing the scales. When you get these runs in these pieces, they actually are pretty easy. Because if you're doing the wrist claps and the accents like I'm telling you to on the scales, then you can learn to put in the accents or the wrist claps or feel the accents, feel the beat on any note. And that's the beauty of it. So they're at the first line, and at the beginning of the third line, it's here. That's just part of a scale coming down, and you get that elsewhere. So do the scales, they're important. The left hand's got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's fun. That's pretty much it for the left hand. The left hand doesn't move around. Go real slow, because again, evenness and control is more important than speed. So you have your speed limit. Don't go beyond it. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this very slowly. Again, an eighth note gets a count. So put your hands where they go. Here. Here. Okay. 1, 2, ready, go.